Hi, Jeff Thompson here with Thompson Air Hot Air Balloon Rides in Expert Village. One of the things, now that we've gotten ourselves in the air, we've got to land the balloon. Landing balloons is probably the most precise control that you'll do during the flight. Landing is not done by accidents. Pilots do their landings on purpose. Many people, when they see a balloon down low, assume they're in trouble, and that's not the case. Pilots have complete control over the balloon at all times. When we come in for landing, generally our chase crew is there to meet us. You can see Linda and our vehicle in the background. And as we bring the balloon down, we set the balloon down as gentle on the ground as we were when we took off. In fact, our poor cameraman this morning didn't even realize we had landed back on the ground. He had to look outside the basket to see if we were in contact with the ground or not. Once we've landed the balloon, then we begin our deflation process. Time to put our balloon down and pack it away.